Hi, it's Rich from Loen.Design. Today we're working on some storage boxes to hold essential supplies in the shop. And that includes things like safety glasses, tape measures, pens, pencils, Sharpies, ear protection, notepads, and even some flashlights. Things that we are always looking for when we're doing a project around the shop. So here we have our 3 strips of wood, 2 sides and the bottom of our box, 22 inches long, 4 inches wide. I'm going to just glue these 2 sides on, and then I have some dividers to go in there, 2 for the ends and 4 that we use in the middle of the box.